What's up, entrepreneurs? Do you have a passion that you want to turn into profit? A craft that you want to turn into cash? Guys, you don't want to miss the Artisan Summit 2020. Artists, woodworkers, do-it-yourselfers, weekend warriors, we're going to teach you how and why modern marketing works. Folks who have done it time and time again are here to teach you step by step.
This is literally everything we do from a business point.
I love what I do.
We actually have every social media out there. The more places you're posted online, the more relevant when they've searched.
Your first videos will be your worst videos, but you gotta punch fear in the face, punch perfectionism in the face, and press record.
It was like 2013 when I really started pushing it. I've had checks like $5,000.
It's so important to keep going at a pace that you can keep going at. Timing beats speed and power.
You're making money off of it and you're turning around and selling it. And I said, that video is just going to keep going.
First of all, we're on Facebook Live. We're going to do some advertisement. We might as well get this thing going. All these people came here to see me, Brian Gary.
Yes, Brian Gary.
If I can do it, you can do it.
People buy from people they know, like, and trust.
No one is going to make your dreams come true other than you.
Did whatever I could to just experiment, keep things going, keep making rings, because that's what I was passionate for, just making things.
The closer that you set your goals to your why, the more fulfilled and happy you're going to be.
One thing can change your business. One little secret or one step forward can start that ball rolling. 2 to 3, it can be massive. We have new speakers, we have outdoor pavilion access, we're going to do live demos. We're going to show you step by step how these speakers and presenters turn their passion into profit and their craft into cash. Just ask anybody who attended Artisan Summit 2019. It changed their life, which ultimately changed their business, their perspective, and created unlocks and keys to change their entire world. Guys, don't miss out on this event. Right now at artisansummit.com, you're going to get your ticket prices extremely low. And we have a discounted bulk room rate that we've secured for attendees. Get your tickets before they sell out. We'll see you at the event. Come to Artisan Summit 2020. You're going to meet us right here at the Westgate in Las Vegas, Nevada. The tickets are on sale right now. You're going to collaborate with folks like Artist Till Death, Mixed Media Girl, Paul's Toolbox, Brian Gary, the American Builder. You're going to meet Carl Jacobson. Carl Jacobson is a world-class wood turner who turned his passion into profit. You're going to meet Zach Higgins, along with Patrick Adair Designs. He turns rings into works of art that sell for fantastic prices on his own website. If you're a brick and mortar business, if you're a small business, if you're an artist, if you're an entrepreneur, if you're sick of your day job and you want to learn something new, come to Artisan Summit 2020. These platforms are designed so that you can get in front of a mass audience or a local audience, a geofence right around your community to show somebody what you make, what you create. Because I promise you, there are people who want what you create but don't know how to find you. We're going to teach you how we do that and how we've done that in so many different aspects. We're going to show you how we film video. You're going to meet all the camera crew behind Stone Coat Countertops and why we do what we do. You're going to learn how we've taken our passion, our craft, put it behind video, and created a multi-million-dollar business. We'll see you at the Artisan Summit 2020 here at the Westgate in Las Vegas. Guys, I'm with Sean Cannell from Think Media. He just exploded the Artisan Summit, man.
My man.
Yes. How are you, man?
Dude, super good. This event is amazing, super inspiring, just connecting with so many incredible people and really talking about how to turn your craft into cash.
Yes, I was just on fire listening to you. You gave us so much value. I want to thank you for coming out. Guys, if you haven't seen Sean Cannell, go on Think Media, check him out. He's got a course that changed our entire business from start to finish. You can learn the tips, tools, and tricks to take your business and turn your craft into cash.
My man, and you got to get to this event, man. This is here in my hometown, Las Vegas.
Yes.
It's been incredible, just super well done, very excellent, getting to connect with people and really get inspired as artists. You know, I haven't been to an event like this that is bringing together entrepreneurs, people that are doing crafts, art, that are doing woodworking, some incredible things, learning the best practices of how to master these things in the modern era. This conference is amazing. I think you got to get here.
Yeah, I've learned so much watching your content, which is how we segued into doing this thing, but I just think what I took away most from you was start taking those steps forward. Just start practicing, start playing, press record, and follow certain principles.
Let's go.
Yeah, right on, guys. Hey, enjoy the content.
And I found out about the Artisan Summit. And I thought I knew a little bit about marketing and advertising, to find out I know nothing. To be among the masters, the giants, the pros of the industry in the art world is absolutely incredible. If you have a business or even dreaming of a business that you want to get into the art world, you absolutely have to come to the next Artisan Summit. It's incredible. If you think you know something about marketing and advertising through social media, you don't. You'll learn from the masters and the giants here, I guarantee it.
We were really debating on whether or not to come. 100% worth your money. Best thing we ever could have done. The connections that you make here, just coming and getting the information to hear from people. Yeah, you can watch it on YouTube, but to see it in person, to feel the mood and emotions in the room, and know that these are all people. They're all from diverse backgrounds, but they're you. They're you. They're who you want to be in a year. They're who you want to be in 5 years. They're who you want to be in 10 years. Totally worth it. It's amazing. So happy that we can.
It's good. It was amazing. It wasn't a ragtag event. It was legit. It was professional. The people they brought in were quality. And there's a community out there that wants to do this and make art a big, like the effects that they want to create with art, they want it to be big, and they're there to help, and they want the give and take. It's all there waiting to be found, and Mike and Catherine and everyone here is making it so that these people can find each other and create these synergies and actually make it so, I mean, art, the whole purpose of art to me is to make sense out of a crazy world. We made a lot of sense out of a lot of stuff just in the 2 days here, and that's not even saying all the stuff that's going to come out of these 2 days, going into the next few days, the next 90 days, the next year, several years, all because they put this one event here.
Well, we expected a lot when we came here, and we got more than we expected. Nice. You know, whether you're an artist or if you're a woodworker or do countertops like I do, it's just been amazing.
The Artisan Summit has been absolutely amazing. If I had any doubts before coming here, they are gone. The people here are completely authentic, they're informative, they will help you with everything. It's just been an absolutely amazing experience and worth every penny.
Thank you. I got so much out of it. 2 days worth of giving. All these people that spoke were just over the top, excited to be here, excited to impart their knowledge.
Sir.
What do you want to know?
Welcome.
I
want to know what's on your mind.
You don't want to know what's on my mind?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm David Moore. I'm with Robin Moore Arts in Charlotte, North Carolina. And through my entire business career, I've been to dozens of seminars. I've probably spent a life of my life in seminars and all this. This is the first one that actually has the people that actually have the action, have the results, have the lessons, and speak the truth out there with some actionable plans to follow that up. You got this.
There's potential there for me to make it into a business. And Mike inspired me as an artist and a businessman both to go out and take that risk. No, I'm not being paid to say this. So yeah, I mean, it's been quite the blessing. And again, I just feel so privileged to be a part of it. And he's inspired me to the point of I drove 1,800 miles to be out here at Vegas at the Artisan Summit today and be a part of this group and part of this community, and I plan to come back every year.
My goal was to come and find out how to run a business on the internet, solely on the internet. So I definitely took that. However, when Carl was speaking last night, he blew my mind. Something he said just kind of tipped my vision on what I wanted, and I realized what I wanted wasn't what I wanted. So I spent a lot of time pondering on what do I really want, what's my why, and what's my goal, and I actually left yesterday with a whole new goal and perspective on it.
There's companies that charge a lot of money to put on a show for a company. Yeah, I feel like I'm at $1 million show. Man. One thing I would definitely take out of the Artisan Summit is that if you have the desire to move from hobby or wishing you could work your craft into a viable business to help you get back closer to your family and get you ahead in life, I would say be here next year and do it, and listen to the people that have been here this year and the ones who will most likely be here next year, and they got good info.
It has been awesome. We've learned so much. We're kind of backdoor people, sort of but just being able to learn all about the ways you promote your business moving forward, the YouTube stuff and all the other stuff, and everybody has just been so excellent, especially with their personal stories, what's brought them to where they're at and everything. That has just been very, very inspiring.
Come to this. You will learn more, and not just about the products. You will learn more about yourself, about life. You will meet great people. It's worth every minute, and it's worth twice what you'll ever spend. You got this.
If you're on the fence about making money in your craft, take the initiative, come to Summit, learn more, and get the connections you need. You got this.
Everything I learned here can be applied to my personal life, my artistic life, and my business life. And I highly suggest that if you have something you want to achieve, something that you feel like you need to do with your life, this is the place to be.
They put on this summit at this great conference center, and it's turned out to be exactly what we wanted, exactly what we asked for, nothing less than perfect. You missed it if you didn't come, and you need to come if they do it again, because this is the real deal. They had packed 2 full days packed full with this conference center of good tips and tricks from the people that do it every day.
I ended up taking home much, much more than I actually thought I was going to take home. Things that I'm going to be able to implement immediately in my life, in my own business.
We had a blast. I'm going to cry. We've been crying these last 2 days. Everybody has been so genuine and so honest, and just to see the love. And we learned so much.
From the aha moments to the takeaways to all the unlocks that were provided by all the speakers, this thing is amazing. Amazing people, amazing tools that we can go home and use and simplify our lives and increase our businesses. So,
thank you.
With all that, thanks Mike for the invite. Thanks for the people that come to talk. We're looking forward to next year even better. Thank you. You got this.
You got this.
Oh man, this is incredible. We were at the Artisan Summit. We just got through the information and the unlocks, and just the why is what I was looking for. And, you know, I kind of had it, but you know, Catherine's talk just really talked me into, showed me how to find my true purpose, and I think I found it. And I just can't wait till next year.
The Artisan Summit has been amazing. I started refinishing my furniture at home, and I do YouTube. I started looking at YouTube channels, and I saw Mike's channel, and I got so into it. And then when this came up, I said, you know, why not? Let me do this. I'm so happy that I came to this because I got to learn a lot from everyone that spoke. And
absolutely awesome. Excellent tools, excellent speakers. I would recommend it by far. Going forward, totally. Thumbs up.
Thank you.
Yeah! They got this. We got this.